Guys, using Sydney's iPad. She's
Yeah.
changing, so it's like right there.
You should sing a song for us.
What song?
I'll find a song.
No, I want to sing.
Too bad.
But I don't want to
It's
sing.
too small to change in.
Look at the cat.
That's why you should give us clothes. I'm just kidding.
My
Oh, God.
pants are kind of tight too. Can you turn that off?
Feather.
Oh, you're
Feather.
recording yourself.
Hey, what time are you dropping
And-
this off?
Doesn't
Whatever
matter. What time do you want to
to.
go home?
I don't know, it's up to you.
It's up to you.
It's up to us.
What time you want to go home? I know you want to go home. I tell you.
I don't care what time I go home.
Tell your mom.
Tell her what.
Whatever time she wants.
Wait, and then there's another feather. Where'd it go? Where'd it go?
Do you know what time you're coming home?
Right there.
Huh?
Not-
Say whatever
Right
time
there.
you want.
For
She'll say
yeah,
soon.
whatever. Superman.
Dude, I want to go to wedgie.
Can you just go change? You're just like.
This is how I change, okay?
YouTube.
Wow. But then you're never late. Dude, this screen is so big.
You're
It's
big.
so pretty.
Not big.
just
I'm the
kidding.
second shortest here.
Who's the first shortest? Oh, Sarah.
You look how the Chinese are ching chong there.
Shut up.
It's nice
I
though.
know it's pretty.
It's
It's like a little girl. It's okay, child. It's okay, my child. It's okay.
I have a child.
Okay, she's changed.
What's the new?
Where is she?
What's the name of that song in Victoria's when they freak out? That thing.
Freak out.
No, that one where that cat and Jay was singing.
Oh, give it up.
Give it up.
I love that.
I know.
I watched that episode over and over again on demand.
I know me too. I love that song.
My mom
Okay.
thinks I'm weird for doing that.
Alright. Ordinary people, John Legend.
Did you ride?
I don't start. Who do you like better, cat or cat?
Cat.
Never
Yeah.
met a chick like me.
I'm gonna make you
Lose your mind.
Cat's so pretty. So jealous of her.
Let's get it started. Give it up. You can't win. Cause
I'm
you know where you've
I'm
been.
sorry, that's recording.
That's a fight.
Okay, bye. Save me some room.
Same old story, but you never.
Stop repeating. Oh, I'm doing
Wanna
it.
switch?
Mine.
Here's your pillow put.
Yeah.
Come a little closer, baby, baby.
I lost my pillow pet.
You gave it to your brother.
Yeah.
Give me.
Okay.
No! Wait!
Ariel wants to be switcher.
No, it's this one.
Yeah, but you didn't see me, bro.
I'm sorry. That's why I have to. Whatever.
Look at the Ariel.
There. No.
So the
You
option
don't
of
like
doing
it.
that.
What's it?
I can tell.
Bang it.
Just let her.
Where's
If you-
the phone?
We'll drop you off. Say my mom wants to drop you off.
It's a random song.
Dude, there's like my pillow pit there.
Come a little closer, baby, baby. Come a little closer, come a little closer, baby, baby. I want you. Come a little closer, baby, baby. Tonight,
Where's that from?
Victoria's,
Oh, yeah. I like just play it already. I'm sorry. Bird.
Family Guy, bird in the what?
Bird
is the word.
Tell the viewers.
Dude, I swear, man, Sarah, your phone.
What'd you say?
Is that in your cup? Yeah, at the same time.
Should I turn this off? Bye.
Bye.
Sarah, bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Bye. I miss you guys. Bye. Bye. Sarah.
Huh?
Bye.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye. Oh my god. Oh my god. I need to say bye. Okay.
Say bye to
Bye. Say bye, penguin. I didn't even give him a name. Bye.
Say bye and then I'll so quiet.